It's a big ass phone. Yeah. It's
Woo! He's like waiting for you.
Woo! He's just so precious.
Boy, he wants to get into them peanuts.
Yes, he does.
If his Aunt Beth is out here, she'd be busting that dude open, letting him trail back and forth with their cover. We had a culinary catastrophe.
Here? What happened?
Well, Beth made the beans. Salted me, and then I added the chili meat and put 2 packages of chili in them.
How about this?
So salty, I didn't eat them. What do you do?
I don't know. I'm not a culinary person.
Well, I went right to Google, and they said you boil potatoes in the beans. I went about to boil potatoes. Most of them say it don't work anyway.
Tell Mom
Yeah.
to come
So
here.
what we did was, I got out 4 cans of corn. Put them in a strainer and washed salt on them.
Would you like this?
And then we went through all the canned beans in the pantry and found the ones with the lowest amount of sodium. And then we went to town and bought those and came back and added them and added about a gallon. And it
made it less salty.
down.
Oh, that's good. Google knows everything.
Just a little happy
Well,
man.
Google didn't tell me to do that, but Google did say you had volume.
Yeah.
With no salt. Then everything you buy has got